Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Tighter COVID-19 restrictions will be in place in Westmoreland for the rest of the year. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement in Parliament this afternoon as the parish continues to see a spike in COVID-19 cases. Vashon Brown has more.
Last week, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton told the Parliament that Westmoreland would see tighter COVID-19 restrictions if COVID-19 cases there continue to rise. And now Prime Minister Andrew Holness says it is time for further action.
The following measures are therefore being implemented in the entire parish of Westmoreland. A tighter curfew commencing at 7 p.m. nightly and ending at 5 a.m. the following morning, effective from 7 p.m. tomorrow, December 16, and ending 5 a.m. on December 31st, 2020. And the general gathering limit for public places is being reduced from 15 to 10 persons.
Mr. Holness says Grand Market will also be cancelled in the parish. Among other things, the government believes the increase in cases in Westmoreland is being driven by illegal parties. And if people do not behave better, the Prime Minister says the government will have to make these measures even tighter. So what exactly does the picture in Westmoreland look like now? Mr. Holness says to date, the parish has recorded 117 active cases of COVID-19, with 76 new cases recorded just last week. The cases spread across 80% of the communities in the parish. The impact on the hospitals out west is also clear.
The Savannah Hospital was at 87% of capacity yesterday. 15 of 18 COVID beds are occupied, and the hospital is reporting 80 to 20 persons in the emergency department waiting on beds on the existing wards.
And there's more.
Of the 4 hospitals that are in that region, that support the region, that is the Cornwall Regional, Falmouth, the Savannah and the Noel Holmes hospitals, all are now at 80 to 90% bed occupancy.
In the meantime, Mr. Holness says the government will continue to enforce the measures in place to limit the spread of the coronavirus.
We will do as best as we can with the resources that we have to enforce. We will continue spending on public education. We will have to come with a supplemental very soon for more resources to health. And we will continue to do this. But it really depends, the success really depends on the citizens.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.